Recently, I made a video on the Zoom app, which was very popular, and that video explained you how the Zoom app can be a potential threat. So I thought, why not make another video and suggest my users the alternatives of this particular app. So here's it. Hey, what's up YouTube, Rahul here back with an interesting video. In this video, we'll see the top alternatives of this Zoom app. Without any further ado, let's get started. Looking for good alternatives for the Zoom app? Tons of people want video conferencing software to help with their phone calls, video calls, and desk-to-desk calls. What's difficult is finding out whether the Nod software you choose is right for you. So here I've compiled a list of softwares, the video calling softwares, and I hope this will help you. So starting off with the number one software that I want to tell, it's called the Cisco WebEx Meetings. So the new WebEx Meetings redesign gives you a modern feel and video first meetings that are more intuitive and productive. Millions rely on this Cisco WebEx to work smarter, connect across boundaries, and drive innovative ideas forward. When you want a secure, flexible, seamless, and intelligent collaboration solution, you go Cisco. And the reviewers tell that there are two cons with this app, that is, it is slower to reach the ROI and it is more expensive compared to the Zoom app. So what professionals tell is the main thing that they notice in the Cisco app is that it is very easy to join any session in the Cisco app. Just by clicking on the link, it will directly take them to the meeting point. The software gives a very futuristic and very professional look. The audio quality and the video quality being very important are really good in this software. Having the software available for all the devices like the PCs or laptops and tabs, it is easier for all the users to get connected. And one thing that is special about the WebEx app is that it makes the calling easy so that you do not have to dial a long meeting passcode like Zoom. Overall, this WebEx app is really nice and has a professional look, which actually stands out. The next app is called BlueJeans. It brings all the video, audio, and web conferencing together with collaboration tools people use every day, like the screen sharing thing and all. Again, this app has the same cons as the other two. It is more expensive and it is slower to reach the ROI. People tell that they love that they can add the BJ meeting in MS Outlook and that the app allows sharing apps, not only the whole screen. So I didn't know about it, but here's it. The next app is called the GoToMeeting. There are millions of businesses that trust GoToMeetings and the professional online meetings and on-to-go collaborations. There are again the same cons in this app. It is more expensive than the Zoom app, as well as it is slower to reach. They actually tell it doesn't really stand out in the competition. The application has a very easy to learn interface and all functions are easy to navigate, and utilize it as all the features that the competitors like WebEx or Zoom have, but they don't necessarily stand out as better than the others. The meetings will be set up with your colleagues very easily and there was never a single problem in setting this. What I definitely want to tell is that WebEx app has more security than the GoToMeeting app. Also, it is actually in the number one position. So yeah, there it is. Now the next app is called, it's a popular app obviously, it is Google's app. Google Hangout Meets. You can connect your team anywhere and make face-to-face video calls. Reviewers actually say this app is actually much better than the Zoom as well as the WebEx app because it is easier to set up and also it is more usable and the admin has more control over it than the participants. If you are looking for a software for online classes, then this is the go-to software. The Google Hangout Meet, because of how simple it is to connect with people via video call, I have never had an issue with call droppings or even the nice things about this is you can directly connect and all the people can get into the video call. Even those having basic sets, they can just dial a number that is given in the video call description. So just they can dial and get into the call. So they won't miss any of the main conferences. There are many other ton of features and I've made a completely different video for that. So link to that video will be there in the description down below or have a look at my channel. Now the next app is called Join Me. It's join.me. It's a very user-friendly app. This app again is for training purposes like review documents and designs, or also train the staff, demo products, and you can do anything. Join.me is a ridiculously simple screen sharing tool for meetings on the fly. So it will be very easy to use, and once we compare it with the Zoom app, it is actually very less expensive, and the software is unique. Now, one thing that I want to mention about this app is the quality, which is actually not so high like the Google Meets or the WebEx app. But you can try it out. This is for normal, usual video conferencing. Now, moving on to the next app, it is called Adobe Connect. You know this brand very well, the Adobe, especially for video and photo editing softwares. So they have this Adobe Connect video conferencing app, just like the Adobe Scanner and other apps. Adobe Connect actually appears to be very effective and good way to organize online meetings or even classes. So this is one app that can support classes with more people in it. It has all the features you would expect for something like this. It has an interactive activity that they can share documents, share screens, ask questions, and very easy to use. As you can see, the UI looks very clean and sweet, and it is actually in horizontal mode. As soon as you open the app, it doesn't ask you to log in or sign in, whatever. It will just directly ask for the meeting code or the URL. Now, apart from all these apps, I would also like to give an honorable mention to Skype. Anyways, these were the top 6 apps that I wanted to mention. They make a lot sense, and in terms of security, the top one being the Google Hangout Meets, and then comes the Cisco WebEx meetings. So that was pretty much everything about the Zoom app alternatives. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care, guys.